lid. All you want to do, ladies and gentlemen, you just strip off onion. You don't want to really dice it up. Just strip a onion like this, ladies and gentlemen, and you cut it in four, just like that. And see, I got Gogo peas right there inside there. So now I'm throwing in the chicken. And then I'm going to throw in a couple pieces of pumpkin. Just let it give it the color. Now I want all of them mash out, so a couple pieces of pumpkin is good in there. Give it the color, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going over the garden now to get me some celery. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe. Big up Wonder Boy.